Kipulat jangkari bhai district hagajan mi jangka arb south re gubnai jeliu kila yo aban kurup ya kaksiar na way ubrio bel tip kerteng kum Abu Bakar bela bu ri hasingka ya hinyot ligi biscuit ksiar kiba shong dor haduat san pho lak tingka habai krim ba Dr. LR Bishnoi ubre DGP ulai thu ba kipulat kari bhai hadin gajing yo jing tepeti kina kila penlong gajing pahara padha ka por sau pho jan miet kila yo aban bad ya kawai ka kali tourist ka ba uniu Abu Bakar ubre na kashnang barpeta Assam ushang Hakajing peteng jagi pulet ban penlong gajing khanra habar peta Assam haring kat gajing tray lang bat ki pulet Assam kilayo ban kurup ru ya kapisa ka balak kwat hadu arpunyo lak tingka na kaying sa usha jahan Hadin jang ni gajing ja ki pulet ki klam shang thai henre ki la peteng biang bat kilayo ban kem sa san ngut ke bayadan kti ban khayik siar ki bet kin thop ya lai ngut ki bede na barpeta Assam ya ka bala tip kerteng kamu Abu Bakar usha jahan Muhammad Siddiq Aziz Lingdo khon jong ulet A Hamid ubana dobighat laban barkakong subalin kharbani kabana maulai balayo ban kurup ru shpotli ki mobile phone naki hagabayre begini gajing ja ki pulit kanong po police station kila pingat ikini haga kindon an bala register case persha ikini bagajing toket menta karang ya chaprang
We have arrested 5 people, namely Abu Bakar from Barpeta district of Assam, Aziz Lingdo from Dhobi Ghat Laban of Shillong, Sahanja again of Barpeta Assam, and one lady Subalin Kharbani from Mavlai district of Shillong, and one Muhammad Sadiq Ali again of Barpeta of Assam. And the operation started on long back on 24th June, and yesterday only successfully operation was concluded after the arrest of Muhammad Sadiq Ali, the last accused wanted in this case. So we have seized 7 number of biscuits, gold biscuits, each biscuit weighing 117 gram. So total weight is 819 gram, and this is a 24 carat pure gold. And the market cost of these biscuits as on today is approximately 50 lakh rupees. On the basis of the interrogation statement of Abu Bakars, we have conducted multiple raids in the various locations of Meghalaya as well as Assam, and we were able to apprehend one Shanjha from Barpeta districts, and we have recovered total 27 lakh rupees and 11,480 cash. In cash, we have also seized 4 ATM cards, 3 identity cards, and 10 numbers of mobile phones. So after the CDR analysis, we found that the interstate gang is operating to smuggle gold from Bangladesh to Meghalaya, and from Meghalaya to Guwahati, and from Guwahati to Siliguri, and then other parts of India. So far we have arrested total 5 people, and we unearthed the nexus between the Assam as well as the Meghalaya criminals. As we all know, the Bangladesh is not the original producer of gold. This gold is smuggled from UAE, illegally taken to Bangladesh, and from Bangladesh to India. Why? Because rates of gold of 1 gram in UAE is 4,410 rupees, and when it reaches Bangladesh, it becomes 4,600. So margin is about 190 rupees in 1 gram of gold. And when it is taken to India, then the rate further increases to 5,121 rupees per gram. So approximately margin is 581 rupees in 1 gram. So you can very well understand the dynamics of the economy here and the illegal money generated. And also we were surprised to know during interrogations that these 5 number of accused, earlier they were indulged in drug trafficking and fake currency racket also. After collecting information from the Assam police, we found their involvement in drug trafficking, and when the Assam police has arrested many drug traffickers and seized large number of contrabands, after that they decided to switch over to gold smuggling business. And their intention was to lure the youth of Shillong, both boys and girls, for illegal activities, particularly the drug trafficking and the gold smugglings. Their target was to convert nearly 4,000 youths from Shillong alone to take them into the illegal business of gold smuggling and also the drug trafficking. This we came to know from the documents recovered from the accused. So this is in brief about the case. One or two more names have come up yesterday night only. Our operation is on to name those two accused. They are not in Meghalaya. They may not be in Assam also. They may be in other states. So our hunt is on for those accused who have escaped from the police dragnet. So Kingpin is probably in Bangladesh, who is coordinating the gold flow from Bangladesh to India, particularly Northeast India, West Bengal, Assam, and all other northeastern states. The exact identity of Kingpin was not disclosed by the accused person so far, because they have given us certain linkages, certain nickname only. So the moment our team will zeroing on, then we will be able to disclose further about it.